Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I'm back with another video, and in today's video we have an Acer Aspire 5 laptop. And this one is an Acer Aspire 5, the model is A515-51-52BQ. And in this video I'm going to go over how to replace your battery if your battery is not holding any more charge or is inflated or not detecting and you want to just simply replace it or remove it. This video is for you. This applies for any Aspire 5 series laptop, so it doesn't have to be exactly the same one. As long as it says A515, then you're just fine. To do it, to replace the battery, all you need to do is flip it upside down and grab the spare battery. I'll leave the link on my video description for extra batteries. You will need a screwdriver set. I'll highly recommend you guys to grab the UFIXTEK screwdriver set. And we're going to use a Phillips number 1 from this set. And what we're going to do right now, we're going to remove all the screws at the bottom cover. But before that, we're going to remove the hard drive, detach the hard drive by simply removing one screw on the cover of the hard drive right here. And just lift it up with your finger. If you have a fingernail, just pull it up really hard. Remove the 4 screws that holds the caddy of the hard drive in place, so tiny screws. These are the only tiny screws. Alright, once you remove those tiny screws, all you need to do is to grab the hard drive from the back side from here. Don't grab it from here, and bring it up, pull it up, and disconnect the connector here, just pulling it back. Now, the next step is to remove all the screws that you see on the sides, in the middle, even in the one in the cover in here. You're going to remove all the screws. All the screws are the same size and height, so don't worry about mismatching them. Just go ahead and remove them. They shouldn't be hard. Also, if you guys like my content and it's helping you guys out to do your upgrade services or anything else, and you want to support the channel, you can click that like button and even subscribe to the channel. It really dramatically helps and motivates to me to make more videos, take questions, help you guys out in general. I really appreciate it. All right. So once you remove all the screws at the bottom cover, just double check, triple check that all the screws are removed. All you need to do is grab an opening tool. You can get the Pro version set of the screwdriver set. They will include you an opening tool and many other tools. Or you can grab a guitar pick. A metallic guitar pick is really suitable to opening covers and electronics. What you want to do, you want to open up the laptop just a little bit, not too much. You want to stick the guitar pick between the top and the bottom cover. Just squeeze it somewhere in there. Take your time finding the crack right in there. There you go. So squeeze the guitar pick right in there. And all you need to do is just rotate and just peel it off. Just do like a half twitch like this. And you're going to see the top and the bottom cover coming loose. You're going to hear some click. That's what you want to hear. So pretty much I'm just peeling it off, going all the way back to the back corner, and do the left and right side. I'm not sticking the whole thing, I'm just sticking about like 3-4 millimeters in, so you don't have to go crazy sticking the whole guitar pick in there. Once you do the front and the sides, you want to do the back end. You want to start from one corner and just twist, and it should come out pretty easy. Then you want to close the screen, put it down, lift up from one side, bring it up towards the I/O side, and that's the bottom cover pretty much. Now down here, the battery is going to be right in front of you, humongous battery, and it says Acer. The model number is this one right over here that says AC14B8K or K. So there's a model number. I'll try to find the link for this one and I'll leave it in a video description. To remove this battery, there's one screw right here, one screw right here. So you have to remove these 2 screws. These are a Phillips number 00. So it's a Phillips 00. And you want to remove these chrome screws. Once you remove these chrome screws, you can lift it up and bring it back. There's a tiny tape right over here. Remove this tape right here. and you can bring it back. As this one is the old battery, all you need to do is just pull it back, the jack, it will come loose from here. Once you get the new battery, just plug it in. Here, I'm just gonna pull it back and the jack will come out. The contact for the jack, this golden contacts has to face on the bottom. The soft part has to face top. You wanna bring it evenly toward the jack and you wanna squish it inside the jack evenly. Make sure, don't go sideways, go evenly inside the jack. This is the BIOS battery. If you want to replace the BIOS battery, this is the one for the BIOS. This doesn't go bad usually every 7 years, 8 years, so don't worry about that one. Once you got a new battery in here, align the back end, make sure this hinges goes right under the cover. Here too. Bring it down, accommodate the cables right on the side, and put the 2 screws on the side of the battery. One on that side and one on the other side. Okay, and the next step would be to grab the cover on the top, bring it down, put it straight over, and then you want to squeeze the sides and you should hear some clicking. You want to press down, press side back, and that should be all. Next step is to grab the hard drive, plug in the connector right to the hard drive, put the caddy on top, put the 4 screws for the caddy, switch to a bit Phillips number 1 I mean. Put the 4 screws for the caddy. Grab the cover for the hard drive, bring it up, make sure you put this side down first on the side here, and then bring it down, squeeze down really hard so you hear those clicks. Put the screw for it, and that should be off here. And the last part, it's really fun and easy. Just grab all the screws, slam it on the bottom cover, and that should cover this video. If you guys have any question or requests, feel free to leave them in a video comment, and as always, I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. Again, if you like this video, you know what to do. Click that like button. If you want to support the channel, subscribe to the channel. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up screwing the screws right on the bottom cover.